Hi everyone, my name is Jad and welcome to another Jad Khouri Art episode. In this episode, I'm going to share with you a cool painting, one that talks about the generation that didn't live a healthy childhood and was too busy being busy with war. I'm talking about myself first. I'm someone who grew up in the late 80s and the early 90s. In my region where I grew up, there was a lot of war, a lot of instability, insecurity around us, etc. So I kind of feel like I am a child inside every day, and thank God for that. But in this painting, you're gonna see a woman who has a lollipop in her mouth while there's a lot of rockets around her. Here is Generation W. It's available online at jadkhouriart.com as usual. I hope you like it. Here goes. That's it for today's episode. I hope you subscribe and turn the bell notification on, and see you in the next one. Take care.